Daddy. Oh, alright. Wake up your brother first. Oh, fine. Wake up, Pinky. Fine. What are we having? Apples and small carrots for Pinky. Alright. What's for drinking? With tea. And I'm drinking coffee. Finished. Alright. Put everything in there. Alright, me and your father will be going to Dunkin' Donuts. And you'll be taking care of Pinky and Puppy. No! Fine. Bye, bye. One more minute. Ready? One more. Wake up! Oh, me? Oh, sorry about that. I was just... One donut, please. Alright. Get a donut. Yeah. Good night. Good night. We got our donuts. Teddy bears. I hate soccer. Baby toys? No, not baby toys. Want some of my milk? No. Doesn't follow. I don't know. Ooh, what's my cool chest? I got my robot trophy. You want to see it? Nah. Oh, fine. What's my phone? Boring. Ready on music? Yeah. You want to explore? Yeah. Want to sleep? Yeah. Oh, fine. What can we do? Uh-oh, our rooms are messy. We gotta clean up before Mom and Dad get here. Come on, hurry. Come on, let's clean up. Okay. Oops, forgot about the trophy in there. Guys, we're almost here. Oh no, I can hear Mom and Dad coming through the roadway. We're home. Wow. You guys were having a good time. Mama, can I go to ask Callie if we can go to the park and play together? That's fine. Alright. And we got the donuts. I'll call. Honey, can I use your phone for a second? Sure. Beep, 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 beep. Hi, can I talk to Callie, please? It's for you. Hey, Callie, want to go to the park together? He says yes. Bye, Callie. Oh. Alright, we can go. Alright. Do I have to come? No, you're staying here. But Mom, I'm just 11. That's something. Take care of this puppy. Oh, fine, you can come. I just come and drop him off at the park with Caddy. But where am I going to sit? Under. This is where I'm going to sit. Seriously? Really? Your brother's going to sit with you. And your father's going to sit right there. The whole family have to come. Yeah. Boom, boom. We're almost at Cassie's house. Yep. We just gotta find somewhere to park. Oh, here's a nice parking spot. Okay, you can go in and meet Caddy. Where are they? They should arrive. What? Alright. Caddy, let's go play. Yay! Yay! Mama's